So this is running about 400 brake horsepower at the wheels, and it's an absolute beast. All built at home in a garage, and it looks very good.
Right, onto the bypass now, is that way?
Left, yeah. What diff is on it?
Huh?
What diff is on it?
314. Left, right?
Left. That is mental. That's the fastest E36 I've ever been in.
I'll just spin it around there.
Press relay, can you? Look at that guy, you have no chance, mate.
That's just warm. Oh, we've got a bit of colour change on the downpipe, look.
Yes. There you go, that's nice.
Bit of blue. Obviously I'm taking the engine, I'm going to neaten everything up. I'm going to do all the wiring on the top and have a bit of nicer. And
You go follow him on Instagram.
aye. If you want to see someone spend money to just have no fucking any sort of gain in life, apart from stupid cars.
Yeah, it's always fun to have stupid cars.
I've got fucking 8 of them at the minute.
This must be the best, is it?
This is the fastest. And then I've got an S13 which is like comp spec.
Aye, good.
Little C.
So that was our mate Alan's m50b25 turbo running 400 brake horsepower at the wheels. What a machine. We'll probably do a bit more on that if he pops on for another visit. So if you like these videos, just remember, subscribe, like the videos, and thanks for watching.